to become doctor and become a businesswoman and sell products. Start my own business. Want to become a collector, feed hungry people. And become a civil engineer. Become a automobile engineer. Abolish child labor. I want to fight for my freedom. According to census data, there are 10 million child laborers in India. They are between 5 to 14 years old. Buy fruits, please. I don't want to sell fruit. I want to study well and become a businesswoman and sell products.
Hey Choto, idhar aa. Take this and give to the shop person and come back. Tea.
Okay, master. I don't want to serve tea. I want to study well and start my own business. The causes of child labor is because of poverty. The parents cannot afford the studies of their children. They are made to work to earn money. Lack of educational resources. Rising population growth, which increasing unemployment in many families due to addiction or disease. There is no earning. This will lead to loss of childhood, health complications due to poor working conditions. Children who work in society sometimes get influenced by criminal activities and commit crimes at the low age. Such working conditions result in mental trauma. I don't want to clean. I want to study well. I want to become a collector and clean the society. Even begging has become child labor in India. And also child trafficking has increased. I don't want to beg. I want to study well and feed hungry people. Child labor is mentally, physically dangerous and harmful to children. In India, children are working mostly in household tasks, agricultural labors, domestic maids, working in commercial shops and restaurants. In India, more in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. I don't want to work here. I want to study well and become a civil engineer. It's not a problem only in India, it's all over the world. 152 million children are child labor. It's more in Africa and Asia Pacific. In 1986, Child Labor Prohibition Act was passed to fight against child labor. I don't want to work in this mess. I want to study well and become an automobile engineer. The act prohibits employment of children below 14 years. Some of the measures taken by government are free education, midday meal schemes, create awareness, empowerment of poor people, create demand for skilled workers, and to avoid child labor in India. The government should allocate the necessary funds to educate the poor children. There are many NGOs working towards it. Child is meant to learn, not to earn.
Hey you, clean it properly.
Okay, madam. 80% of the child labor in India is concentrated in rural areas. Child Labor Prohibition Day is celebrated every year, June 12. I don't want to sleep mobs. I want to study well, become doctor. Abolish child labor. I want to fight for my freedom.